Chi. Chi pa isa. Chi, bakit pa isa chi? Sa manaon. 10 p.m. Yeah, I gonna open my live tomorrow, 10 p.m. and then 10, maybe 10:30 like that, like something like that. Oh, English, yeah, something like that. You know, guys, I'm trying to speak in English because I have a friend here, like Chris in United States, in the Arab and the Emirates, and he don't know how to Tagalog. So I am speaking in the English, so they know what I'm talking to all of you and forevermore. Yo, what? Chris, you know what I mean? I think Chris, you know Chris. I know Chris is how much your age, Chris? Yeah, I am speaking is just for you. Yeah, what I it's just for you. Torn to you. Born for you. Chris, you know that I am speaking in English is because of you? Yeah, what are you? Dako lagi mo sa lagi ng muka. It's because of you I am speaking in English. That's why I have all enough, have ton of money. Wow, yeah, what is ton? What is the meaning of ton, Chris? What is ton? Tun? Tun? Uy, guys, unsa may ibig sabihin nito, guys? Kung enough daw, tapos ton of money. Tun? Tun or tan? What's that, guys? Tun or tan? What's that? Wala, plenty man siyang money pala, uy. So you can prove to me that you have a ton? You have a ton? Tun. Tantin. Visit ya, what are you? Can you, how can you prove it? Ay, prove it, ya, wala, prove it, ya. Kasi nang gini-gini ko, guys, uy. How can you, prove it? Prove it. What's I message na, guys, ya, what, guys, so. Wait, thank you who's stopping my who's stopping my screen, guys. Thank you for the guys. My God, we have a 1,000 1,000 and we will. Huh? We will daw, we will. We will rock you, rock you in the mud. Katulang pili-pili, guys. Yawa. Kumato na yung baho. Unsa na? Unsa, guys? Unsa na? Wait. Boss. Naglibog ko sa bot sa inyo. Di mo magets. What is talking about? Wait, backward ko, guys, ha. Old enough to have a tan daw. We will love each other and have a great time. Wow, sana all. We will love each other and have a great time. It's the greatest in the history. So, how can you prove? How can you prove that? Yawa. Really? Really? So, take my hand, my love, and let me do the rest. Okay, give me your hand. Give me your hand, and I will hand you. Huh? English, yawa. Give me your hand, and I will hand. You know the hand? You hand. I will hand. I do not lie. Kita ba yung yawa? Sige, guglingan-lingan siya. Kita yung aking jula. You are on hand. Give me your hand. Yawa. I will see you soon, forever. You wanna see me for the rest of your life? Oh my God, guys. Yawa! Wanna see me daw, guys? Kita dayon para makita ang katag. Kita dayon niya, guys. Pero I think Chris, you can't handle me. I think you can't handle my capacity to internal and interval. You know the interval and internal? I think you didn't. No, yeah, what English? I think you did it. You did it my way. You did it my way. I don't smell or bad mate. I am clean. I don't smell or bad breath. No, I don't mean it. This I don't mean that smell bad or evermore forever.